Welcome back to Car Restoration Diary. I always find it best to start these projects by giving the car a good clean top and bottom so you're not working with dirty parts. I don't think I mentioned in the last video, but we've christened this car Chewy for the noise its 3-cylinder diesel engine makes. We have him back inside in the garage now after the wash, and I'm going to loosen the wheel studs before I jack it up, and when I have the car supported I'm going to get underneath and have a look around and see what we're going to be in store for over the next few months. You can't beat a big bar. I'm surprised nobody spotted the standard Kadett rims in the last video. So looking a bit hungry for paint under there, but just in time. It's still just surface rust, it's just kind of stained. So a bit of sanding down and treating and painting, and it'll look like new again. You can see already that the washing has already poked through that rust and shown the extent of the repair I'm going to have to make there. I used quite a lot of mixed garage parts in this car about 3 years ago when I first got it, and it's good to see them holding up well. There's a little bit of surface rust on everything because unfortunately this car has been standing for about a year, but that'll clean off pretty easily. If you guys need any car parts or accessories, you can go to mixedgarage.com and use our discount code VP10 and that'll save you a few bob. This is a repair I did to one of the box sections a couple of years ago. It's good to come back and revisit your work a couple of years later and see it's still holding up well. I'm really pleased with the condition that I'm finding this floor in. It doesn't look like I'm going to have to do any repairs down here. Perhaps just a little bit of touching up to the underseal. The main jobs I'm going to have to do on this car are the sill, taking the engine out and getting it rebuilt, and a respray to the upper body. I can't wait to get stuck in, so hopefully next week's video will be removing the engine.